Welcome to genNEXT at Home, Houseplants Edition. I'm Jos, 24G graphic designer and plant parent. Since 2014, I've cared for more than 80 houseplants, and I've enjoyed learning, educating, and creating art about plants all along the way. Providing oxygen, food, and many other benefits, plants are clearly very important, which led us to create our community garden here at 24G. Today, we're going to show you how to care for your own houseplant. Before we begin, keep in mind that not every plant will survive, and that's okay. Good even. Learn from your mistakes, do some investigation, and most importantly, be patient. Okay, let's get started. There are plenty of great, easy plant options to start with. For this demonstration, we've chosen the spider plant since it's low maintenance and non-toxic. Now let's collect our supplies. You'll need mixed potting soil, a small shovel or spoon, gloves if desired, room temperature water, a container to hold your plant, and of course, a plant. But first, let's go over the basics. When it comes to soil, don't plant in potting soil alone. This can cause your soil to become too wet. You can check the tag that comes with your plant to find out what's recommended. On to planters. Commonly, you'll find terracotta, plastic, and ceramic planters, best selected by what a plant prefers. For my spider plant, I'm using this ceramic planter with a drain hole at the bottom. Lastly, check the temperature of your environment to make sure it's not too hot or too cold inside to keep your plant. Congrats! You're now ready to become a plant parent. Once you have your plant and supplies, begin by breaking up your mixed soil within the bag. Next, pour your soil into your planter to fill it halfway. Push the container your plant came in into the soil and create a space for your plant. Then carefully place your plant into the soil and fill the planter the rest of the way. Back down the soil with your shovel to keep your plant stable. Now let's talk about plant care. You'll need to let your plant breathe through the soil on a regular basis. This is called aeration. Using a long, thin object like a pencil or stick, poke holes 2 to 3 inches deep into the soil. Do this before you water. You can test if your plant needs more water by sticking your finger into the soil on a regular basis. If the soil feels dry, it's time to water. You can also tell if you're under or over watering by observing the color of your leaves. Finally, where would you like to keep your plant? Plants prefer different levels of light, so try to choose a location that receives the right amount of light for your plant. Since spider plants prefer bright indirect light, I chose a north-facing window where the light does not shine directly onto the plant. Once you've mastered houseplants, we'll show you how to start your very own outdoor garden. For now, let's keep on growing. Show off your houseplants on Instagram using the 24genNEXT hashtag for a chance to be featured. Happy planting!